Hey, my name is David. I'm wellingtonphoto.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the manual focus on the Sony A5100. Alright, so this is how you use the manual focus on the Sony A5100. The focus ring is no longer a zoom, exclusively focuses. So when you start turning it, the camera zooms in so you can see what you're focusing on. You hit the shutter, it'll zoom back out. And the cool thing about it is you can actually tap the screen and it'll take you right to where you tap, so you can try to focus from there. You can even move it around while you're zoomed in to focus. So that's it. That's how you use the manual focus on the Sony A5100. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up. It lets me and YouTube know that I was able to help you. And if I was able to help you and you want to watch more of the videos, you can subscribe to my channel and watch the entire playlist that I have dedicated exclusively to the tips and tricks of the Sony A5100. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.